There was an interruption in the last clip. Technology cut me off in the middle of a sentence. Fortunately, I noticed it pretty much right away, so I didn't go on too far after that. But what I was saying was simply that delta z divided by delta t is going to result in the expression fx x prime plus fy y prime. Now, if we put that into slightly different notation, fx means the partial derivative with respect to x of f, and that's written as partial f with respect to x. Fy as partial f with respect to y, and x prime is just a shorthand notation for dx dt, as y prime is shorthand notation for dy dt. So we have now delta z over delta t is approximately equal to partial of f with respect to x times partial of x times the derivative of x with respect to t plus partial of f with respect to y times the derivative of y with respect to t. Now we're going to write that out in one more step just to make it really clear. We're going to consider what happens as delta t approaches 0, and we're going to consider this intuitively. We're going to do an epsilon delta proof of this, but not right now. We're trying to get an intuitive grasp of what these expressions are telling us, and then we're going to get very rigorous about it. So that for right now, I'm just going to say as delta t approaches 0, then any error that you get here, because x prime actually changes a little bit over a time interval, any error that you get as a result of that is going to approach 0. And any error that you have in the fact that fx and fy don't remain constant. If you let delta t approach 0, those things don't matter, and we're then going to be able to say that dz dt is equal to this expression.